should probably say what this is for. This is for if you have multiple cameras and you're recording the same thing. And my recommendation to make it really easy is start recording on each camera and then stop recording on all of the cameras. Don't like record on one camera at a certain angle and then record on another camera at a different angle and then stop this one while this one's still running. If you're going to stop any of the cameras, stop all of the cameras and then restart them all. Because if you stop one, then it makes it more difficult to do this multicam sequence. Things don't line up right. This is our right camera, left camera, center camera. Move them to Premiere Pro. That did nothing. Here's the thing. I will win by stumbling through this entire process until it works. So we have 9 videos left, right, and center. And we want to make a multicam source sequence. Create sequence. Defaults, just using audio. Processes 9 alignments. Okay, so now we have these 3 whatevers. And I don't know what you're supposed to do, but I want to drag it to the timeline. Is that a sequence? Whatever they call it, who cares? I also have a zoom recorder. So we're going to say zoom 19 goes with this, and we're going to throw that anywhere. Again, I don't know how any of this works. And then if we select them both, now you can do this. And then hit OK, and then Adobe does something magic. And you don't even need to use a clacker when you do it, because we have the clacker, right? And everybody tells you have to clap to sync the audio. You don't even need to do that now. You probably haven't had to in like 10 years, but I don't use any of the software and I have no idea how this works. So don't quit. Keep going. Don't worry about the fact that doing this is nearly impossible without a 6-year college degree. Just in Premiere Pro. You hit record on all 3. You record a session. You hit stop on all 3. Now you have one chunk of recording. 4 different feeds, 4 different files. You'll have a camera left, camera right, camera center, audio. So you take the 3 cameras, you shove them into the project, and then you hit create multicam sequence. And then you'll take your audio and you'll drag that in anywhere in the project. And then you'll select the video and the audio that go together and hit synchronize. And now you have your audio and the combined audio from the 3 cameras. And you verify that the sound is not echoing or is not off. And make sure that your lips match to what you're saying. I cut up a whole video once and I forgot to check that my lips were moving along with the words. So that was bad. Apparently you have to check that. I have it right and your audios are right. You can actually click this button here and mute the middle channel. And then make sure that your external audio is really lined up. So now you click this button, the plus button right here. And then you get this thing here, toggle multicam. You add that. And once you have it, then you go to this. And now you can see your camera feeds. This part gets weird. I don't know how it works. If you click here and you click play, you do camera 2, camera 3, camera 1, camera 2, camera 3. Why is my chin cut off on that camera? That camera is too low and that's going to just trash all the film. Throw it away. Anyways, so now if you go down here, you can see where it flipped the cameras. So it automatically cut the video for you and then switch the cameras for you. And so then you can do that. And you can also do, if you click anywhere wherever this is highlighted, then you can click here and then that'll change the camera that's played at that point. And the same thing if you click it and it's highlighted and then you push the number button, that won't cut it. The only way to cut it is to do it while you're playing it up here. You push the button 2. Pause. And then it's got the cut point. Okay, that's what I've learned. That's what I know. That's how you do multiple cameras in an external audio file. And go away.